Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. And today we are going to quickly revise set theory. All right? Yes. Shall we start? All right. So you can always give your answers in the chat box. So I will also check your answers. The first question is, let A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then which of the following is true? The first one is 3 is an element of A. 1, 3 is an element of A. 1, 3 is an element of A. 1, 2 is an element of A. Or is it none? So what you have to do in this is you have to carefully see what is the content of the set A. So based on that, your answers can be framed. All right, so being the first question, let's see the answer. So it is option 3. 1, 2 is an element of A. So we don't have 1, 3. We don't have separately 3. And it cannot be none as well. Isn't it? So 1, 2 is an element of A. All right, let's move on to the next question. Yes. Among the following constitutes well-defined objects. What do you mean by well-defined objects? So something which is very clearly, specifically given. So when you talk about beautiful children, there are n number of beautiful children in the world. When you talk about good newspapers, there are many good newspapers that all of us would prefer. So we don't have anything specific, isn't it? See the third one, tall boy. So there are many boys who are very tall. But the fourth option says orange trees in the garden. So something specifically you are talking about. So that is why this is called as well-defined object. So your answer must be option 4. All right? Yes, so hope you all are answering. You can always give your answers in the chat box. Right? So let's move on to the next question. A well-defined collection of objects is called dash. I'm giving you 1 full minute because this question is a very easy question. So quickly think over it and give me the answer. You can put your answers in the chat box. All right. The answer is option 4. That is set. All right. So let's see how many of you are giving me the answer. All right. Good. Many of you have given me the answers. Right? Yes. Now with this, we are moving on to the next question. Right. In the next question, if A and B be two non-empty sets, then what is A minus B? Okay. So here the answer is given because we have a formula based on this, isn't it? So what is A minus B? A minus B is A intersection B dash. All right. So what is A minus B? It is nothing but A intersection B dash. All right. Good. Many of you are giving me the answers to this. Let's move on to the next question. Set theory was proposed by dash. So there are 4 options. One is Cantor, Boole, Pythagoras, or Newton. Yeah. So 4 options are there: Cantor, Boole, Pythagoras, Newton. So this is also a very simple question. Let's see how many are answering. Just I'm giving you 1 full minute to think over it. All right. So the answer must be Cantor. All right. So those who have given the answer as Cantor, they are perfectly right. See the next question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, then what is A minus B? All right. So let me also see the answers. Whoever has given me. Yes. So what is, yes, I'm seeing a lot of answers here. Harita, Chandu, Nikita. Yes, Harita has given me the answer. Harish, Shobha. Yes, many more has given me the answer. Good. All right. So now what is A minus B? A minus B is nothing but what is there is in A, it should not be in B. All right. So here you can see in A we have 1, but in B we do not have 1. A we have 2, B also we have 2. So let's not take that. A we have 3, but B we do not have 3. So 4 is there in A. Even in B we have 4. So A minus B means whatever we have in A, that we should not have in B. That is called as A minus B. Yes. Again, many are giving me the correct answers. Harish, Nikita, Shobha, Chandu, many more are giving me good students. Right. So let's see the next question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then a correct statement is dash. Option 1, 3 is a subset of A. 2, 3 is a subset of A. 3 is an element of A. Both 1 and 2. Right? So you can give me the answer. Yes. 3 is an element of A. So in A you have set 3. Is it clear? So those who have given me option 3, then you are perfectly right. Yes. Right. Let's see the next question. Which of the following can be used to denote the set? Which of the following can be used to denote a set? You can give me your answer, students. All right, let's see. It should be option 3, that is capital X. Yeah, because usually capital letters, that is uppercase, are used to denote sets. Right. Now see the next question. If n of A intersection B is 8, n of A is 6, n of B is 4, then what is n of A union B? All right. So what is n of A union B? So we have a formula for this. Right. So the formula is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. All right. So n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So n of A is 6 plus n of B is 4 minus 8, which is 2. All right, I'm getting answers from Nikita, Harika, Ganesh, Chandu, many more, and all your answers are correct. Right. See the next question. Among the following, a null set is dash. Option 1, x such that x is less than 5 and x is an element of n. Option 2, x such that x square is equal to 4 and x is an element of n. Option 3, x such that x square plus 1 is equal to 0 where x is an element of n. Option 4, x such that x is even prime. All right. So which of the following is a null set? Let's see the answer. It is option 3, x such that x square plus 1 is equal to 0. X is an element of n. All right, so many are giving me the answers. Ganesh, Narasimha, Harish, Shobha, Chandu, Sarla Naveen, Harika, many more. Raju Yadav, good students. Yes, here x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So x square is minus 1. So what is x? It is plus or minus root of minus 1. That is not an element of n, isn't it? Yeah. See the next question. 1, 2, 3 represents subset of dash numbers. So 1, 2, 3 represents subset of dash numbers. Is it natural? Is it whole? Is it integers or is it all? Is it natural? Is it whole? Is it integers or is it all? So it is all. Okay? Because they are part of natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Good. To those who have given me the answers correctly. See the next question. If A, B are two sets such that n of A is 5, n of B is 7, then the maximum number of elements in A union B is dash. Okay. It's very simple, students. N of A is 5, N of B is 7. Then the maximum number of elements in A union B is dash. So obviously it is 12. You add 7 plus 5, right? Yeah, see the next one. Among the following, having only one subset is dash. Among the following, having only one subset is dash. Is it set 1? Is it 1, 4, 5, 0 or empty set? Okay. So is it 1 or 4, 5, 0 or is it an empty set? Only one subset is option 4. Okay. So many of you are giving me the correct answers as option 4. Shobha, Nikita, Naveen, Harish, Harika, Narasimha. Many are giving me. Good. And see the next question. N union O is what? Is it R, W, P or Q? Okay, take 1 minute to think about this. N union O is equal to R, W, P, Q. And the answer is W, option 2. Okay. Right? Because it's 1, 2, 3 and so on. It's a union of 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on is nothing but W. Okay. See the next question. If A union B is equal to A union C and A intersection B is equal to A intersection C, then B is a subset of C A is equal to B is equal to C. B is equal to C. B is a subset equal to C, subset equal to A. All right. So which of the option is right? So you just have to think about this and then give the answers. All right. Let's see. The answer is B is equal to C. Yes, Nikita has given me the right answers. Almost all are giving me the correct answers. Yes, because A union B is A union C. A intersection B is A intersection C, which means B is equal to C. All right. Yes, see the next question. N of A is 10, N of B is 5, such that A comma B are disjoint sets. Then N of A union B is equal to dash. N of A is equal to 10, N of B is equal to 5, such that A comma B are disjoint sets. Then N of A union B is dash. Is it 10? Is it 5? Is it 15? Is it 20? Okay. So is it 10? Is it 5? Is it 15? Or is it 20? Right? So the answer is 15 because we do have a formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Right? So what is N of A? 10. What is N of B? Plus 15. N of A intersection B is equal to 0 because A and B are disjoint sets. Right? So 10 plus 5 minus 0 is nothing but 15, which is option 3. All right? Yes. See the next question. Set of integers is denoted by dash. W, N, P, Z. Okay. So set of integers is denoted by W, N, P, Z. So the answer is Z. Option 4. Let me see how many of you have given me the answers. Vinay Gajula, Harika, Ganesh, Shobha, Chandu. Many of you are giving me the answers. Naveen, Raju Yadav. Right. Good. See the next question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then the cardinality of set A is dash. So what is cardinality mean? It is nothing but the numbers. Okay. Here in this A, you see, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 numbers. So cardinality is supposed to be the numbers here. That is the number of numbers in a set. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4. Supposing we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there, then it is 5. Okay. The cardinality of set A is 4. So I'm sure many of you would have understood this and you are giving me the correct answer. Okay. 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 All right. See the next question. If A intersection B is equal to B, then the correct statement is dash. If A intersection B is equal to B, then the correct statement is dash. Okay. Yes, then the correct statement is B is a subset of A. Option 2. Okay, so Naveen, Raju Yadav, Gajula, Nikita, Harika, Shobha, Chandu, Narasimha, many are giving me the answers. See the next question. Identify set among the following. Identify set among the following. There are four questions. There are four options. Collection of prime numbers less than 20. Collection of prime numbers less than 20. Collection of stars in the sky. Collection of tallest people in India. Or is it none? So, right, so you have to identify set among the following. So collection of prime numbers less than 20. Collection of stars in the sky. Collection of tallest people in India. Then it is none. So collection of prime numbers less than 20 because something which is specific, isn't it? If you see the stars, there are n number of stars. If you see the tallest people, there are n number of tallest people. If you see, the prime numbers less than 20, yes, we have specific. So that is why your option 1 is right. So let me see how many are giving me the correct answers. Neha, Nikita, Gajula, Harika, Shobha, Kankala, Chandu, Narasimha, many more. Okay. See the next question. If A, B are disjoint sets such that n of A is 4 and n of A union B is 7, then n of B is dash. Okay. If A, B are disjoint sets such that n of A is 4 and n of A union B is 7, then n of B is dash. Right? So you have option 1 is 4, 11, 3 and 20. See? Yes. Since it's a disjoint set, n of A intersection B is 0. So your answer will be n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, which is 3. Alright? See the next question. If A and B are two sets such that n of A is 70, n of B is 60, and n of A union B is 110, then what? Then n of A intersection B is what? Okay. So, what is n of A intersection B? Right? Yes. So here again we have the formula n of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Right? So you just have to substitute n of A union B is 110. Then you will end up with n of A intersection B as 20. Alright, students? Yeah. See the next question. Set of all vowels in English alphabet is A, I, O, U, A, I, B, K, A, I, P, K, A, I, O, U, M, N, G. A, E, I, O, U. It should become that's the vowel, isn't it? Option 1. Alright, see the next question. Before that, Harika, Chandu, Nikita, Harish, Neha, Shobha, Narasimha. Many are giving the answers. Good students. So, put your answers in the chat box. An object of a set is called dash subject, verb, alphabet, element. An object of a set is called obviously an element. Isn't it? Yeah. The next question. If the subset A has 54 subsets in it, then n of A is dash. If the subset A, if the set A has 54 subsets in it, then n of A is equal to dash. Right? So n of A will be 6 because 2 power n is 64. So what is 64 is nothing but 2 power 6. So n is 6. Okay. Now let's see the next question. The set of rational numbers is denoted by dash. The set of rational numbers is denoted by R, Q, C, Z. The set of rational numbers is denoted by R, Q, C, Z. So it is Q. Next, the symbol used for belong to means what? What is the symbol that we are using for belong to? It is option 3. Isn't it? That is only belong to. Again, I'm getting answers from Nikita, Harika, Harish, Chandu, Shobha, Narasimha, many more. Okay. See the next question. N of A is 7, N of B is 4, then the maximum possible number of elements present in A union B is dash. N of A is 7, N of B is 4. Then the maximum possible number of elements present in present in A union B is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Just add up N of A and N of B, which is 11. Okay. So it is option 3. Yes, good. Many of you are giving me the correct answers. What is Q union Q dash? Q union Q dash. Is it PNWR? So Nikita, Shobha, Harish, Chandu, Naveen. Many of you are giving me the answer, students. Good. Yes, let's see. The answer is R. Okay. Because R is real numbers. Q is real numbers. Q dash is irrational numbers. Okay. The set of all real numbers is pi, finite set, infinite sets, or none. So 4 options are given. So the set of all real numbers is dash. So quickly tell me the answer, students. It is option 3, infinite set. See the next question. Among the following, a pair of disjoint sets is dash. A minus B, comma A intersection B. B minus A, comma A intersection B. A minus B, comma B minus A. Or is it all? Okay, so one full month I'm giving you for you to quickly get the answers. All right, let's see the answer. Everything, all. So everything is a disjoint set. See the next question. Set builder form of 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on till 20 is dash. Set builder form of 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on till 20 is x such that x is prime, x is less than or equal to 20. 2x by x is equal to 1, 2, and so on till 10, where x is an element of n. Third is x squared by x is an element of n. Fourth is none. Okay? Yes. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on till 20. Now it is not prime. Okay. So let's see. It is option 2. Correct. Right? So 2x by x. Right? See the next question. The number of elements in the empty set is dash. 0, 5, 1, infinity. The 4 options. See, it is 0. Correct. Yeah. See the next question. Among the following, a correct statement is dash. A union phi is equal to A intersection phi is equal to phi, A union A is equal to A intersection A is equal to A, or is it all of these? Harish, Neha, Shobha, Naveen, many are giving me the correct answers. Yes, you are right. Let's see the answer. It is option for all of these. See the next question. Set builder form of 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on till 19. X such that x is odd and x is less than or equal to 19. Obviously, it must be option 1. Right? So because we are seeing an odd number and such odd numbers are less than or equal to 19. See the next question. Among the following, a single term set is dash. Among the following, a single term set is 0, empty set, 5, or both 1 and 3. Okay. So among the following, a single term set is 0, empty set, 5, both 1 and 3. Alright, it is both 1 and 3. The next question. Which of the following is true? 1 is a subset of N, 0 is a subset of W, minus 3 is an element of Z, or is it none? 1 is a subset of N, 0 is a subset of W, minus 3 is a subset of Z, or is it none? And the answer is minus 3 is an element of Z. Okay? Yes, see the next question. If A is a subset of B, then A union B is dash. If A is a subset of B, then A union B is 5 or mu, or is it A or is it B? Right? Is it a 5, mu, A, or is it B? It is B. Right. See the next question. Among the following, an incorrect statement is dash. B is a subset of A, which implies A union B is equal to A. B is a subset of A, which implies A intersection B is equal to B. N union W is an intersection of Z equal to W. A subset of B. B is a subset of A, which implies A is not equal to B. So now you have to find out which is the incorrect statement. It is option 4. A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A, which implies A is not equal to B. See the next question. W minus 0 is dash. W minus 0 is N. First, 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 0 is 1, 2, 3, which is N. Okay. See the next question. A union 5 is nothing but 5. Mu A or a complement. Okay, it's very simple. Let me see who all are giving me the answers. Harika, Shobha, Nikita. Harish. Many are giving me the right answers. It is option 3, that is A. If f of x denotes set of divisors of x except 1, then f of 18 minus f of 12 is dash. Okay, if f of x denotes the divisors of x except 1, then f of 18 minus f of 12 is nothing but 9, 18. F of 18 is 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Minus f of 12 is 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So this minus this will be 9, 18. Okay. All right. See the next question. Set of even prime number is what? Set of even prime number is should be 2. So that is only even number, but it is a prime number. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. See the next question. Set build a form of D. 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6 is dash. X such that x is 1 by n is an element of n is less than 7. X such that x is 1 by n is an element of n is less than or equal to 7. X such that x is 1 by n is an element of n is less than 6. Yeah, so let's see the answer to this option 1. Roster form of the set of natural numbers less than 6 is dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is less than 6 means it is option 2 because x should not be included. The set form from the letters of the word SCHOOL is SCHOL. So it should be option 3. Right. See the next one. X such that x is a prime number less than 13. List form of A is dash 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 2, 3, 5, 11. 2, 3, 5, 7. Less than 13 is, and it should be a prime number also. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 is less than 13 and it is a prime number because 1 is not a prime number. Okay. So it is option 1. See the next question. If A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, its set builder form is x such that x is an even number less than or equal to 10. X such that x is an even number less than 10. X such that x is an even number greater than or equal to 10. X such that x is an even number greater than 10. It is not greater than 10. It is not greater than or equal to 10. It is not less than 10 because 10 is also included. So it should be option A. Right? Yeah. So with this, we come to the end of today's class. Hope you all have noted down the very important questions. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. And see you soon in the next class with a very important topic revision. Thank you.